Black holes, one of the most enigmatic and fascinating objects in our universe. They have captured the imagination of scientists and the public alike. But what exactly are black holes and how do they form? Let's dive into the cosmic journey of these mysterious entities and explore phenomena like time dilation and what happens if we fall into a black hole. Black holes are formed from the remnants of massive stars. When a star, at least 20 times the mass of our Sun, exhausts its nuclear fuel, it can no longer support itself against the force of gravity. The star undergoes a catastrophic collapse, leading to a supernova explosion. The outer layers are blasted to space, while the core collapses under its own gravity. If the core's mass is about 3 times that of the Sun or greater, it continues to collapse, compressing all its mass into an incredibly small and dense point known as singularity. This marks the birth of a black hole. The region around the singularity, where the gravitational pull is so strong that not even light can escape, is called an event horizon. Anything that crosses this boundary is lost forever to the black hole. One of the most mind-bending phenomena associated with black holes is time dilation, a consequence of Einstein's theory of general relativity. According to general relativity, the intense gravitational field of a black hole warps space-time around it. This means that time moves differently near the event horizon compared to a region far away from the black hole. To an observer far from the black hole, a clock near the event horizon would appear to tick slower. As an object approaches the event horizon, time for that object seems to slow down relative to an outside observer. If an astronaut were to fall towards a black hole, he would experience time normally. However, to an outside observer, the astronaut would appear to slow down and freeze at the event horizon, never actually crossing it. But what if we were to fall into a black hole? The journey would be both terrifying and fascinating. As you approach the black hole, you would experience an extreme version of spaghettification. This is because the gravitational forces at your feet, which are closer to the black hole, are much stronger than the forces at your head. This difference in gravity would stretch you out like spaghetti. Eventually, you would be torn apart by these tidal forces before you even reach the event horizon. However, if you somehow manage to survive this and cross the event horizon, your fate becomes even more uncertain. Inside the event horizon, our path would lead to the singularity at the center of the black hole, where the laws of physics as we know them break down. Time and space become indistinguishable, and the gravitational pull becomes infinitely strong. No one knows exactly what happens at the singularity. Some theories suggest that you might enter another universe or be crushed into an infinitely dense point. What we do know is that escape from a black hole is impossible once you have crossed the event horizon. Black holes continue to be a source of wonder and intrigue, push the boundaries of our understanding of physics. They remind us of the vastness and the mysteries of our universe. Guys, thank you for watching this video.